Aerospace, defense, and government contracting organizations face unique challenges when it comes to spend management. From complex compliance requirements to increasing demands for transparency into spending, today's organizations are under continuous pressure to do more with less. At the same time, cyber attacks and data breaches are on the rise, and controlling access to sensitive data is crucial. Though optimizing spend is top of mind, these organizations need access to continual improvements and innovation to keep up with ever-evolving regulations and requirements. SAP Concur helps you navigate this new reality with a unified travel, expense, and AP solution built to meet the highest security standards while offering the flexibility to meet your unique requirements, all while providing a better employee experience. To ensure consistency, streamline auditing, and simplify T&E processes for everyone, our solutions embed advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and automation. And we integrate compliance into everything we do, including our FedRAMP authorized travel and expense management system that provides a higher level of security for U.S. government contractors. SAP Concur solutions offer a combination of technology and security you can rely on to make spending processes more efficient, bring oversight to your organization, and move at the speed your core mission demands. Learn more. Contact us today.